Okay, we're at the 2019 Forest River Expo, looking at the newly redesigned 39 ASL. There's all the Forest River people hard at work. But in here, we got a nice big sectional sofa. Check this out. So you got a sleeper, possibly a footstool. Nice big open trailer. Stools. 5-burner range, convection microwave. Pantry. How cool is that? Nice big fridge with a 10-year warranty, it says. Okay, how many of you people have a fridge that nice at home, much less in your park model, or with the 5-burner range and convection microwave? Another hall closet, perfect. Got a ladder, broom, vacuum cleaner, could prep for washer dryer. This is the brand new 2019 closet. Got one of these on order, just like this. Nice big bathroom. How cool is that? Shower with the low threshold. Nice tall shower. Linoleum throughout. Nice touch. Notice that. Linoleum throughout. Carpet in the loft only. Nicely decorated. Okay, let's go check out the loft. Nice big loft. Got an entertainment center. Okay, looking down and all around. Six-foot vinyl patio door. Room for a nice size fireplace, TV.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Okay, we're still at the 2019 Forest River Expo, looking at Quail Ridge Holiday Cottages. We've been through two of them, a Summit, a 39 ASL, and this one would now be called 40 MLFD. It's got a lot of the new decor in it. Mine is ordered with that fancy refrigerator. This is what it would come standard with. Has the platinum appliance upgrade. I think they call it platinum. Who's got a stove that nice in their house with the griddle? Big stainless sink. What do we got in here? Oh, nice hall closet. Big tall hall closet. Pantry. Lots of pantry. Nice big bathroom. Nice and bright with a window. Shower with a very low threshold. That's kind of nice. Check it out. Got some storage under the steps. Master bedroom. It's got the new wardrobe. Room for a great big TV. Mini blinds on every window. Let's go check out the loft. There's a peek at the bathroom again. See how the loft looks. Got a chair. It's a step down rear, so you got an extra foot of height in the rear loft. Front loft. At least king and king up here. So this is a 2020 Quail Ridge 40 MLFD. Unit number 12043, if anybody's paying attention. Well, that's all three of them. And this is the 2019 Forest River Expo. There's Crystal holding down the fort.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Forest River Park Models 2019 Expo. Let's go check out the newest stuff from Forest River. This is a 355 Loft, new offering in a price point. That's what people like. Good pricing. Fireplace, sleeper sofa, narrator, kitchen. Walk through to the new and improved cabinetry, window blinds on every window. Lighted closets. Pantry. Linen closet. Nice big bathroom. Shower. I got one of these on order. but I put glass doors in it. So to give women something to clean. Just kidding. Okay. Got a nice 5-burner range. It's got a big bank of drawers here. You got a loft even. Big loft. Auxiliary air conditioner back in the corner. It's got a TV jack. Heading downstairs. This is a new floor plan for 2020. From the Forest River Expo in Elkhart, Indiana, 2019.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it.
Okay, this is for all my Canadian friends. We're at the 2019 Forest River Dealer Expo, and this is actually a Canadian park model. It's a pretty good looking unit. They have a little bit different rules than the United States has. They can be a little bigger, but you don't see them with lofts because the lofts count as square footage. So this is the 2020 Quail Ridge, Canada, and it's full of people. So we're gonna meet some people while we're looking.
You tell me when I gotta get.
No, I can.
You're on candid camera.
Hi there.
Just looking
This is the
around.
Quail Ridge.
Yeah, Quail Ridge, Canada. It's a beauty. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you tell.
I'll let you know.
Nice sofa. Looks pretty cozy.
It is. It is.
All right.
All right. When do you think they can? Yeah, I don't.
Oh, hall closet.
4 feet of snow. So you can get it there for 15th of November.
Oh man, nice bathroom. Check this baby out. Dual shower heads. I could live in this. No problem. Another hall closet. Prep for washer dryer. Wow.
I'm gonna let you know this.
And I don't. And again, I don't mind paying for it then. If it's 4 feet of snow, you can't get it there over 7 or 4 feet of snow. I don't mind paying for it.
Cool. Yeah, these Canadian units are allowed to be bigger. I gotta see the closet here. Locked out.
We'll build it, pay for it,
Well, it was a closet.
either way.
Actually,
Oh, you know what? It's locked for shipping. Oh well. That's okay. House type rear entry door. Room for a major TV. Check out that wardrobe. I mean, that's second to none.
We had tons of snow. We had a lot more in November than we did in December.
well, last year we had.
Oh man, it was horrible here too.
Cold. I came home and I could have stayed away another 3 weeks.
Oh, it was
Snow.
cold and rain.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't